So guys, here is again one more timing came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving two questions in one video like I have told you. And in today's video, we are solving of question number 594 and 595. Okay, so please get ready for it because in the previous video, we solved our question number 591 and 592. So sorry, 591 and 592, and you are thinking why I'm not solving 593 question by the name of valid square, because it is locked. Okay, means you will be you will be solve this question in the premium version. So that if I am not solving it, I am solving question number 594 and 595. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. Guys, let's start today's video, and in today's video we are solving our question number 594 and 595. And the 594 question name is longest harmonious subsequence, and the 595 question name is big countries. Okay, so we are solving these both questions in today's one video. Okay, and the first question is a easy one question, and the second one question is a hard one question. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, sorry, first question is a easy one question, and second question is a also a easy one question. Okay, we are solving these both easy one question in today's video. So now let's start to solve this. Okay, so now let's start. First of all, we solve our 594 question, and first of all we also be understand this question, what is the question is trying to say to us, then we'll be solve it. Okay, so now longest harmonious subsequence. Now we define one harmonious array as an array where the difference between its maximum value and its minimum value is exactly one only. Okay, please highlight this exactly. Let me give it the black color. Okay, now it has been given me an integer array by the name of nums, and what we want to do with it, we wanted it in the length of its longest harmonious subsequence among all its possible subsequences. Okay, now let's come down, and I may give you a one subsequence link, so we will press it in our here website. So let me press it. Okay, here you can see it. A subsequence is an array, means it is telling me what is subsequence. A subsequence is an array that can be derived from another array by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. This is called subsequence. Now it has been give you three cases, okay, with an explanation. If you see the first case, here he created one integer array by the name of nums, in which he written down nums. Okay, here he written down nums, and then in which he written down 1 3 2 and 1 3 2 2 5 2 3 7 in the input in this integer array by the name of nums, and the output is becoming 5. Why? Because the longest harmonious subsequence is 3 2 2 2 and 3, means 3 then 2 then 2 then 2 then 3, means these are 5. Okay, so that's why this is the longest harmonious subsequence, so that's why the output is coming 5. Now if you see the example 2, here he created one integer array by the name of nums, in which in the input here he written down 1 2 3 4, and the output is coming 2. Why? Because the longest harmonious subsequence are 1 2 and 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 4, and all of which have a length of 2. So that's why the output is coming 2. Okay, if you see the example 3, here he created one integer array by the name of nums, in which he written down 1 1 1 1, and the output is becoming 0 because no harmonic subsequence exists, and these are the constants. Okay, you will be see, you can see it, these are the constants. Now let's try to solve this question in the LeetCode Camp website. So the easy one question which we are solving, and total 3,59,000 people have submitted it, only 2,05,000 has been accepted, and 57.3 is acceptance rate, and some topics are included like array, hash table, sliding window, and sorting and counting. Okay, and now if you see here, you can see it is telling you a subsequence in an array that can be derived from another array by deleting some or no element without changing the order of the remaining elements. So we are solving this question in the Python 3. So let's try to solve it. So first of all, what we're gonna do, First of all, you define a class of a solution because there is a rule of a late code camp. Whenever you want to start to solve any question, first of all, you want to define a class of a solution. Define def keyword find LHS. So will be both are in capital, all the letters will be in capital of LHS. Then define self comma nums. So nums is a one integer array. So we write in the list I write int, okay, because it's an integer array. So that's why. Define nums dot sort. Define L comma R equals to 0 comma and then 1. Perfect. Now when you do this all the thing, now define our length variable in which you define only 0, okay. And then when you define this all the thing, you only want to do it, define here while loop r less than length, found the length for your nums integer array, okay. Then define diff equals to nums r minus nums L. If statement define here if statement def equals to 1 semicolon. Then when you do this all the thing, define your length max length comma r minus 1 L plus 1 if def less than equals to 1. Now when you do this all the thing, you only want to do it, define r plus 1, define else keyword, define here L plus equals to 1 and then define here return length. Perfect. So we have written out all the code. So now the last thing is to run this code. Okay, so first of all, let's see the running code. Please recheck the code. It is very important to recheck. Okay, and now let's see the recheck, format the code. You can also be format the code from here, but my code is already formatted. If I write my diff here, so when I click formatted, so then it will be formatted. Okay, now let's see the running code. I think it is correct. So let's see the run, and when I run this code, and now let's see. So now it is taking a loading. It is depending on net. If your net will be fast, it will be run fast. Okay, my net is it is judging. Okay, so let's see. So time limit exceed. Okay, what is it has mean? Okay, let me run it one more time. So now it is taking a loading. Okay, let me refresh it. Now when I refresh it, and then now let me run it. Okay, now judging. Okay, now it is judging. So now let's see. Okay, it is okay. Time limit exceed. What does this mean? Run it one more time. Okay, it is error in there in this line, in 13 line. So let me sort out this error. So let me equals to. So now let's run it. So now when I run it, so let me, now it has been accepted. Here you can see it. Total, the case when the expected output is 5 and my also output has been coming 5. In the case 2, the expected output is 2 and my also output coming 2. In the case 3, the expected output is 0 and my also output has been coming 0. So we have solved this one more question in the Python 3, but the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, and let's see the submission code is correct or not. So submission code has been also be accepted, and I beat 18.57% people. So let me paste the solution. Easy solution in Python 3 beats 18.57%. For more explanation, visit Debian channel. Let me post the solution. Now when I post the solution, so now here I posted. So here you see it, we have solved about this question, and if you want to view my profile, so view my profile, here is my profile. Okay, so go and view my profile also. But anyways, let's convert it back, and now here we solve 594 questions. So now we are coming on 595 question. So now let's start to solve our 595 question. It is also be very easy question, and this is also a MySQL. We solve this question in the MySQL because we want to write a one MySQL query statement here. So that's why we solve it. So this is also one easy one question and by the name of big countries. So let's try to solve this question. But first of all, let me give me one SQL scheme. If you see here, he created one table if it not exists, and here he created one pandas scheme. Here you can see it. Let me give me two schemes. First scheme is SQL scheme and second scheme is pandas scheme. Okay. Now let's start to write about all the first of all, let's understand the question. What is the question is trying to say us? Then we'll be solving the LeetCodeCamp website. So now let's understand the question. So guys, now let's start to solve 595 question. Like we have already solved 594 question. Like I have told you, 594 question by the longest harmonious subsequence. So let's start to solve 595 question. First of all, you understand the question. What is the question is trying to say us, then we'll be solve it. Now, here we create one table of a world in which in the column name there your name will become continent, area, population and gap. And the type of a name should be varchar, continent column name type is varchar, area column name type is int means integer, column name population type is int and gap column name is big int. Name is one primary key column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table gives information about the name of a country, the continent to which it belongs, its area, the population, and its GDP value. A country is a big if, first, it has an area of at least 3 million, for an example, 3 million kilometer, or it has population of at least 25 million, for an example, you can see it. Let me highlight it from the yellow. Write a solution to find the name, population and the area of the big countries. Okay, we want to write a solution to find the name, population and area of the big countries. Then we return the result table in any order. Okay. The result format is in the following example. Example 1. Here he created our input in which he written down word table. Word table. In the name is there is a name of Afghanistan and continent is Asia and then area is 652230. Population is this and GDP is this. Okay, and then Albania and the continent is Europe and the area here, population is here and GDP is also be here. And then Algeria and his continent is Africa. Okay, and then there's a area means area, then populations and then GDP and then Andorra and the continent is Europe and the area is 468 and population is this and the GDP is this. And then Angola and this continent is Africa and there is an area also with an population and GDP also. Okay, and the output will become name Afghanistan, population is this and area is this, and Algeria and then population is this and area is this. Why the output having coming Afghanistan and Algeria? Because Afghanistan and Algeria has most of the population and area, so that's why this output has been coming here. So I hope you understand the question. What is the question is trying to say is we want to write a solution to find the name, population and the area of the big countries. Okay, so now anyways, let's start to solve this question in the LeetCodeCamp website. And by the way, it I will give you a SQL scheme also and the pandas scheme also. Here you can see it. And this is an easy one question which we are solving in the MySQL. We are solving this question. To the 2.8 million people has submitted and only 1,08,77,464 people has been accepted and total acceptance rate is 68.2%, and the top one only one topic has been included by the name of database. So let's start to solve in the MySQL. So here we first of all write our MySQL query statement below. So first of all we define a select and select will be in capital, then name comma population, and then when we write population comma area, then from world. Okay, then here we write where and then we write here area greater than equals to 300,000 and then 0. Perfect. And then we write here union. Here we define a union and then we define select name, comma, population, comma, area from world. We define one more time. And then here we define where population and where all the letters will be in capital must be. And then population one more time. Then greater than equals to 2500000. Okay. And copy this and then paste this. Okay, there is only these zeros. So now the last thing is to run this code. So let's run this code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been, let's say, accepted. You can see it. So now last thing is to submit this question. So let's submit this question. So when I submit this question, the submission question is also be correct and I beat 79.76% people. So let me post my solution. Easy solution beats, and here I am writing beats 79.18%, sorry 19%, and then here I am defined in Python 3. For more explanation, visit Darian channel. Okay, here we define Darian channel. Okay, so now here you can see it. In today's video we solve our 2 questions. Okay, now let me post the solution. So now I have posted. So here you can see in today's video we solve our 2 questions. First question name is 595 by the name, first question name is 594 by the name of longest harmonious subsequence, and the second question name is 595 question by the name of big countries. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and all the notification bell also, so you never miss our these type of videos on the channel of the LateCodeCamp Camp channel. So I hope you enjoy, and then come on to my channel by the name of Darian. When you come on it here and you completed 4.5k subscribers, so please complete 5,000 and then see my all the videos here, and then click on the playlist and click on this LateCodeCamp Camp playlist. So please access this playlist and bookmark it also. Okay, we successfully completed 106 videos, and your total my 115 videos you have completed in this playlist. So please complete 500 views. Okay, so now but anyways, let's meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class like these type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.